Thank you. Well, flooded creeks and streams have caused a number of road closures around the region. Fox 43's Matt Kleinitz is in Carroll Township, Perry County, with the conditions behind him.
Evan, several roads right next to Sherman's Creek remain partially flooded at this time. Now, I am standing on Creek Road in Carroll Township, and if you take a look right behind me, you could see that flood waters have consumed most of the road. However, waters have receded a little bit to where a couple cars have attempted to make that trek to the other side. A couple people I spoke with earlier say they've had some cleaning to do after last night's weather. Last night's heavy rains are running off into local creeks and streams, causing some of them to flood.
We will commonly see this close down when we have heavy rain or a lot of snow melt.
In Carlisle, Cumberland County, parts of Clemson Road were closed after it was flooded from the nearby Conodoguinet Creek. Jennifer Leedy says the storms caused some water to get into her basement.
When it gets flooded like this, we usually probably get a half an inch to an inch in our basement, so it's not terrible. And thankfully our basement is kind of sloped.
Even with some water in her basement, Leedy says the flooding isn't nearly as bad as it could have been.
This is actually mild. Usually it's come up to halfway our driveway, and then our backyard usually gets pretty flooded.
In Carroll Township, Perry County, several roads were underwater as part of Sherman's Creek overflowed. This video taken by Dave Heath shows the water going halfway up his driveway along Dark Hollow Road.
We just take off the day.
You couldn't even get out of your driveway?
No, not until about an hour and a half ago.
Heath says he spent the day cleaning water and mud from his garage, but adds the floodwaters didn't cause any other damage to his house.
It didn't come in the house, so we're good shape.
Perry County's Emergency Management Agency tells us that they have had no evacuations or water rescues as of this time. Reporting in Carroll Township, Perry County, Matt Kleinitz, Fox 43 News.